Hello, my name is Adarsh. Welcome to this tutorial. Now I'm going to tell you how to create credential in Akeneo to eBay. With the help of eBay Akeneo Connector, you can create a product listing on eBay Marketplace using Akeneo pin platform. So here you can see the user guide. You have to click here and you will get all the information about how to add product and how to create credentials. So here you can see how to create credentials in eBay. So now comes to first step. You have to go to developers.ebay.com, the website, and here you will get two options: sign in. If you are new customer, then you have to register first. Here you can see you have to fill the username, password, email, and your mobile number according to your country, and click on the join. So I had already created the credentials, so let's click on the sign in. Here you can give your username or email and password, so I am entering. Here you can see sign in button, so click on sign in button. So your eBay developer program is looking like this. You have to click here application keys and you have to name it according to your company name. So I am entering here webcool. So here you can see you have two options to create the credentials. First is sandbox and other is production. So first click on the create a key set. So a new pop-up window will be open. Here you have to also enter your details like first name, like I'm entering Cool 2, and you have then last name, company. So continue to create key, click on this button. Here you can see your sandbox credential created here, and for the production you have to also create a key set. So click on this. You can see your credential we created for the production. So now next step, we have to create the user token. So you can see here your user token. Before it you can see also application ID, development ID, cert ID. So you have to enter these IDs in the credential in Akeneo. So I am clicking here user tokens. So you can see the user token page. Here you can see it is asking for which I am going to create the user token, sandbox mode and production mode. So I am going to sandbox mode. So you can see here get a user token. So I am going to enter sign into sandbox. Click here. So here all you have to fill the details. So here you can see the sign in option. So sign into eBay to get a token. Click on this. Here you can see your sandbox page will be open. So here you can register yourself. If you are an old customer, then you have to enter your credentials here and then click on sign in button. Click on the agree. So here you can see your user token will be generated like this for the sandbox mode, and you have to enter this token to your Akeneo to eBay credentials. Now go to home and you have to see your application access key, so you have to click here. You can see your application access key here. So thanks for watching this tutorial.